Hi, I'm Don from Line 6 and we're here at NAMM 2012. We're extremely excited to be showing you our new StageScape M20D digital mixer. This is the world's first smart digital mixer. This mixer was designed to eliminate all the technical hassle for musicians that want to set up and do their own sound. This mixer has all the smarts inside, the engineer's really inside the box. And so you just deal with this on simple terms. Let me show you how this works. We have all the inputs are smart sensing. So when I plug a microphone into this input jack here, you see it immediately draws a microphone onto the stage. Now it knows it has a microphone connected. Now we could select from this carousel down at the bottom here what we intend to have that microphone here as an input. Let's just say it's going to be a vocal, so I'll just drag him up and put him on there. And now that microphone knows to expect a vocalist at that microphone. And that opens up a whole bunch of, a chain of components. You have equalizers, compressors, de-essers, effects, everything that's appropriate to this kind of a use. And then now if you want to tweak these, you come over here and press the tweak button, and you end up with a very simple interface to deal with this. Musicians like to talk in non-technical terms, and we've made this very easy. For example, if I want to affect the tone of this mixer, I have my choice of bright, dark, deep, and body, and now it's simply by using my ears, I'm moving lots and lots of controls. I don't have to know the numbers, I don't have to know how many dB with a Q of what and the center frequency of my equalizer and the cutoff rates. I simply do this until the sound is right for my ears, and then I just leave it, and it's all done. Of course, we do have a deep mode for those that do know how to do everything with all the numbers. And for example, we could go back and see what that equalizer does. If I had an actual microphone plugged into this, you'd see a real-time analyzer running in the back to show you exactly what this wave looks like. And so for all of our major things, again, setting compressors is often very difficult for novice users. They don't quite understand how to express what they need to their sound man, but now we have things like punch and control, and as I drag these back and forth across, again, I've changed lots and lots and lots of parameters inside my compressor. So it's a very simple interface. As you can see, we have color-coded Rotary encoders, and they are all color-coded to match what's on the screen. But of course, everything on the screen is touch sensitive, so it's real easy to do on the screen. So if I go back to setup, so if I want to set up my whole band, I'm going to just move my singer and his mic down here, and let's see, I need a kick drum and I need a snare. Maybe I've got some overheads for the cymbals. What am I going to have? Oh, I'm going to have a keyboard player. We'll put him up here, and maybe I got strings over here, and I've got electric guitar and bass. I'm going to put those up on the, and maybe I need a couple more singers. So I'm going to put these all on my stage. And now all these are set. You're ready to go. All the presets are in place, so you have a nice general starting point. And now you can drill down on these too and select, for example, on the drums, I can select a whole bunch of, I have a ballad snare and a big kick and a compression snare, and there's a large group of dialed in more exacting presets depending on what you want. But everything is all set. So now that I have my band, we have another feature in here called Quick Capture, and it'll be difficult to show you, but basically I can record this band doing a sound check for 20 seconds by just hitting the record button. It's going to record that, and then the band can stop playing. I can go back and on this tweak mode, I can go back and select any of the instruments and dial them in one at a time without the band playing, so it's real simple. Also auto sensing. Well, every jack on this is auto sensing, so now if I plug a monitor into this, you'll see a monitor. Here's my monitor speaker instantly appears on the stage. And now it's the same way. I can go into that monitor and I can tweak the EQ. Again, very simply with this XY controller, or I can dive very deep and I can go into a graphic type equalizers, limiter built for each one. It's all built in, all automatic. Also, we have, when you tie this with our speaker system, we have a new digital interface called Line 6 Link, And when you tie it in line 6 link, then I also get a 31 band graphic equalizer. And again, if the signal was flowing at this time, you'd see a real-time analyzer running behind that, so it's real easy to dial in your speakers. So what you have is a complete system with just about every feature known to mixing. This kind of makes it kind of like the way GarageBand is to recording. You don't need an awful lot of technical knowledge. You need the ability to make music and the desire to want the music to sound the way you want it. And you just tell this mixer how you want it. You don't have to know technical numbers. So this makes it very easy to set up. It leaves you with a very confident feeling that everything's dialed in. There's no gain structure that you have to deal with. Everything automatically sets itself up. You don't do anything wrong. So you just have to play and just drag your finger across the XY controllers until you, using your ears, the best tools you have the sound that you want. Makes it very simple. You don't have to keep going into that technical mode and out of your performance mode. You just want to play your guitar, but the second you have to put your guitar down and deal with all these numbers, you go into that left brain mode, and that now your performance isn't going to be as good while you dial with all the numbers. This lets you stay more in that performance mode and really get out of your performance out to your audience. You know, you're in control of that. You'll be very comfortable that you're getting what you want and it's getting out to your audience because we built the engineer inside this board. So this is the StageScape M20D from line 6.